Ever struggled to keep your audience hooked? You've got great footage, a compelling story, but somehow it just doesn't connect. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful way to engage your audience by using connectors and moments. Over the years, I've discovered that what truly matters in storytelling is the story, the message, the feeling, most importantly, the connection. An emotional connection between the story and the viewer is the secret sauce that can transform a good video into something unforgettable. So if you're ready, let's dive in. As the storyteller, your role is to craft a narrative that doesn't just tell a story, but pulls your audience in, influences their decisions, and sparks real change. But how do you create that kind of connection? It's all about using the right connectors. Well, let me break it down for you. Psychologist and best-selling author Dr. Phil McGraw identifies 5 key connectors that drive people. Here they are: their values, their beliefs, their priorities, their practices, and their behaviors. As I piece together my jigsaw puzzle of clips, I'm continually asking myself, what will my viewers value from this story? What do they believe about this story? How can I connect it to their priorities? What practices are similar? And why do they behave the way they do? The answers to these questions help sharpen my focus and ensure that the story resonates with the audience. Imagine being able to take your latest video project and turn it into something that not only gets views, but also leaves a lasting impact on your audience. That's the power of mastering connectors. Now, let's shift gears and talk about moments. Why are moments so important? Moments tap into our memory, reminding us of significant times or places. They can be words someone said that made an impact. Maybe they're pictures that etch themselves into your mind, or music that transports you back to a specific time or place. Moments mark milestones in our lives. Some are loud and dramatic, while others are quiet and intimate, but all have the power to connect with the audience on a very deep level. That's why finding and maximizing moments in your story will set your work apart. It's not just about being creative, it's about moving the viewer in a way that sticks with them. Here are 5 moments I always look for. You ready? Number 1, I look for aha moments. When a light bulb goes off and you understand something in a new way, suddenly you see things in a different light. Number 2, special moments. These moments touch the heart and leave a lasting emotional impact, something you won't forget. 3, wow moments. These create amazement and awe, offering clarity and a desire to share what you've experienced with others. 4, God moments. These are profound, transcendent experiences that connect you to something greater. Number 5, micro moments. These are the brief moments when people turn on their devices for answers, discovery, or decision making. Google describes these moments as I want to go, I want to do, I want to buy, and I want to know moments. When you link themes, emotions, and feelings from a powerful story to these 5 moments, you dramatically increase the chances of engaging your audience, especially during those micro moments. All right, let's circle back to special moments just for a second. Special moments are all about emotional reactions and relationships. Find and highlight these moments, and viewers will respond because they crave that connection to the content. Best-selling author Al Tompkins points out, the best stories don't just inform, they teach, illustrate, and inspire viewers. Finding, developing, and delivering stories that speak clearly to the viewer's mind while connecting to their emotions is the goal. To reach your viewer's heart, you need to use subjective sound bites to convey thoughts, opinions, feelings, and emotions. Combine these with objective sound bites that present facts and details to create a balanced narrative. Think about those viral videos that stay with you long after you've watched them. What do they all have in common? They tap into the same connectors and moments you and I are talking about right now. If you've ever watched a sporting event on TV, You know that the broadcast usually pairs a play-by-play announcer with a color commentator, someone who has played the game. The play-by-play announcer describes the action objectively, while the color commentator offers subjective analysis, providing insights that enrich the story. Great broadcast teams are 1/3 play-by-play, 2/3 color commentary. Imagine watching a game without the color commentator's insights, just the play-by-play narration. That's what most videos do. They give only part of the experience. I've learned that by using more subjective sound bites than objective ones, I can tell a deeper, more engaging story. A story that taps into the connectors and moments that resonate with the audience. Al Tompkins also believes that stories need surprises, moments that reward viewers to stay engaged. When you aim for their hearts, they remember how they felt, and you're rewarded with their attention, he says. Featuring special moments adds significance and value to your story. Consider this famous quote by Maya Angelou. People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. In the end, nothing else really matters. Okay, are you ready for the takeaway? The secret to captivating your audience lies in connecting deeply with them through well-crafted stories and impactful moments. By tapping into connectors, values, beliefs, priorities, practices, and behaviors, and maximizing the power of special moments, you create stories that not only inform, but also resonate emotionally and leave a lasting impression. So, what's your go-to technique for creating those unforgettable moments in your videos? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check out the resources below to keep leveling up your storytelling game. Thanks for watching.